wish a void opened in the air to suck me up, cause I really don't.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are currently at the Green Giant, headed up to South Dakota, or I mean North Dakota for a kite festival. So here I'll get some footage of around here, and maybe we'll stop somewhere else, and I'll see you guys then.
While I'm falling, I wondered if you would miss me when I'm gone. While I'm falling, I wondered if you would miss me when I am gone. I feel so hollow inside.
This must be some of the old machinery that they had. Old assembly line stuff. Pretty cool.
Promise me everything, promise me everything, but please don't lie. Disappointment echoes in my brain. Anyone would really go insane. Empty hands promised me everything, gave me nothing in the end. While I'm falling, I wondered if you would miss me when I'm gone. While I'm falling, I wondered if you would miss me when I am gone. I feel so hollow inside, Promise me everything, but please don't lie. I fall, would you miss me at all? I feel so hollow inside.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Currently we're in Garrison. I have some footage of traveling up here through the South Dakota, the Enchanted Highway, that's what they call it. I was trying to think of the name. But we're currently in Garrison, North Dakota at Skyfest, and it's the 24th anniversary, I think. So if that's incorrect, I will post it somewhere else. Also, there's a tram going by that is making noise. But I will try to get more voice on the channels, so that way we can connect more and I have more voice than video, because I think it makes a better video. So, but I will see you guys in the video hopefully soon. So I will see you then. Also today there is not as much kites up. I didn't get much footage yesterday, but tomorrow, Monday, will be a lot more windy, so there should be more kites up, and we'll film a lot that day. And then we also have Jamestown that we are going to next weekend, so hopefully you guys enjoy the footage. Another thing, if you guys are flying paramotors, how wonderful would this be to ridge soar? This is a huge ridge, goes pretty much all the way around the lake, I think, so it'd be pretty cool to ridge soar around here. Didn't bring my wing though because I forgot it, so that sucks, but oh well.
Promise me everything, but please don't lie. close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. To